Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so in this video, I am taking a look at the Forex Attack EA on the MQL5 Marketplace, and I am going to walk through the details step by step as I scroll through the page, settings and backtest results. So first, this is listed under experts by Ivan Simonica, and the current price is set at 999 US dollars with rental options available for 1 month going for 399 US dollars and 3 months going for 499 US dollars, which is currently showing a discounted structure. The version here is 1.0 with 5 activations available. From the description, this EA is presented as a universal scalper designed for fast execution environments. It is clearly built for low spread conditions and is intended to run on a fast and stable internet connection, which already tells me it is focused on high speed trading behavior. Now, one important detail here is that it works with tick data. All right. We can see here the Forex Attack Expert system is a high speed scalpel and accordingly works with ticks, which must be taken into account when testing the system. All right. So it also mentions that it operates on both netting and hedging account types. All right. And it doesn't rely on stored historical databases in the usual way. Instead, it builds and updates its own data online, which is an interesting design approach. Now, scrolling further, I can see there is an internal optimization system built into the EA. So basically, it runs its own optimization cycles and adjusts parameters based on performance conditions. So instead of static settings, it is designed to re-evaluate and adapt over time based on its internal logic. All right, looking at the recommended setup, it suggests using Euro USD on the M1 time frame and also making use of low spread broker conditions and allowing flexible leverage. It also highlights important inputs like spread limits, lot sizing, stop loss, take profit, trading time filters, and execution settings like order type policies. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I'm focusing on how this EA behaves under historical tick-based conditions, since that is a key part of its design. Let us start by looking at the information provided here. This seems to be an interesting balance and equity curve. From an initial deposit of $100, we are seeing a total net profit of about $1.7 million, and total trades we are over 60. Wow, this is 616,812 total trades taken, and the percentage of profit trades were about 53.3%. Okay, so the custom period was 2014 to 2019, so that covered about 5 years of market data, of 5 years of data, right, for the back testing. And let's just head over to our strategy tester so we can also see how the EA performed over the past 5 months using 2026 market data. So we're testing the Forex Attack EA on Euro USD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are testing from the beginning of this year 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, and Let's just look at the results. So we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 784.11, and the total trades taken were 152. Short trades were 79 with a 50.63% win rate. Long trades were 73 with a 56.16% win rate. But the total profit trades were 81, meaning that about 53.29% of the total trades were profitable. So the largest profit trade is $197, while the largest loss $199. Average profit 159.06, average loss 170.42. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. And then given the low win rate, even though it's above 50%, but it's still kind of low. So it's not surprising to see just a little total net profit when compared with the initial deposit. All right. So imagine making just $784 from an $100,000 deposit over 5 months. Right. So the win rate is pretty low. And what stands out in the historical chart analysis is how dependent the system is on precise execution conditions and short-term price movement. Now, because it is a scalping model, the structure of entries and exits becomes very sensitive to spread, volatility, and timing. So since it also uses internal re-optimization logic, the behavior you see in the test reflects periods where the system adapts its parameters and continues trading based on updated conditions. Now, looking at the overall historical testing performance, this should be treated strictly as backtest analysis, not forward expectations. Results can vary significantly depending on execution quality, spread conditions, broker environment, and user optimization choices. So my final takeaway here is that Forex Attack EA is clearly built around a fast scalping framework with heavy emphasis on tick accuracy and optimization cycles. But because of that, proper testing and careful setup are absolutely essential before considering any real deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.